How to use Jira for human resource. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use Jira for your human resource job. So it's gonna be very easy. Basically, we're gonna use Jira template, so Jira space template, and we're gonna choose the template that suits our job. So as you can see, this is my space, but this is for finance, and I'm gonna create new one for human resource, and I'm gonna create new one for human resource. So as you can see on the left side, there is space. You can click plus icon here, and it will brings you to the space template here. And on the left side, there are some categories as you can see. And for this video, I'm gonna choose human resources. So as you can see, you can click it, and there are 6, 7, 8 templates. There are HR service management, and there is blank space if you want to choose start from scratch. And there is recruitment tracking, policy management, employee review, space approval, and more. So you can choose the template that suits to your job. Let's say I'm gonna choose policy management here, and I'm gonna create the name, let's say policy for team, it's like that. And you can choose how your space is managed. I'm gonna choose team manage. And for the access, you can choose the access whatever you want. I'm gonna choose private, so only admins and people I invite to the project can edit or modify anything. And then after that, you can just click next. And you can also invite your or add your team, but if you don't to add it now, you can just skip here. You can click skip in the right bottom. And as you can see, this is my policy template. You can modify it, you can, edit it. And if you want to add more template and or use another template, you can just repeat the process and choose the template you want. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.